Information about the drug circle. You know, sometimes it get confusing because new names are being added to this saga almost every single day. So who are these alleged drug peddlers? We're going to say alleged right now because we can't pronounce any of them guilty until an investigation has happened. But here's what that alleged drug circle looks like. You've heard the name of Zaid Vilatra. He is an alleged drug peddler according to the Narcotics Control Bureau. He's been held by them as well. He's been arrested. Basit Parihar, also an alleged drug peddler. He's also been arrested. Kaizan Ibrahim, also an alleged drug peddler. All three of these persons have been detained and all three of them allegedly have links directly to Riya Chakravarti's brother, Shauik Chakravarti, who's currently being interrogated by the NCB and could face arrest very shortly, according to the remand copy that we have in our possession. India Today has also accessed chats, WhatsApp chats between Riya Chakravarti and Shauik on drugs. The latest WhatsApp chats between Riya and Shauik seem to suggest that the actor was asking her brother to arrange drugs or narcotics for Sushant on the 15th of March this year. The chats speak about arranging buds and doobs, clear words that signify marijuana cigarettes. In another chat accessed by India Today, Shauik can be seen arranging drugs for one of his friends. He even shares contacts of drug dealers over that chat. The Enforcement Directorate is currently probing these WhatsApp chats and their links to Sushant Singh Rajput's death. The Enforcement Directorate will grill Shauik soon on these findings. Earlier, WhatsApp chats between Riya and Samuel Miranda accessed from April this year. They hinted at the fact that they will have to contact Shauik to arrange more drugs. Divesh continues to be with us. Divesh, so you've got three people who've been held right now. Shauik is also going to be grilled. Are there others? And what is the line of questioning taking place right now as far as Shauik is concerned?
Yeah, Shiv, right now, the Narcotics Control Bureau is questioning Shauik and Samuel Miranda. These are two important key people whose names have emerged in the WhatsApp chats of Riya Chakrabarti and others as well, which is being probed now by the Narcotics Control Bureau regarding procurement of narcotics and banned substances. Also, it emerges, one could see that there could be more people involved in this particular racket. Remember, Enforcement Directorate had questioned Rishabh Thakkar twice, who was questioned yesterday also. His phone is being scanned and is being examined right now at the Enforcement Directorate. There's another hotelier from Bandra, Kunal Jani, who's partners with Raj Kundra, who's the husband of actress Shilpa Shetty. These two names have emerged from Riya Chakravarti's chats, and where they have been discussing procurement of doobies, which is a banned narcotic substance. So these people also could be questioned, also could be summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. But meanwhile, narcotics in their own probe have arrested Zaid Vilatra and Basit Parihar today, who was produced in court and has been remanded to custody, in NCB custody right now. They will be interrogated in the custody also.
Okay.
The whole racket will be investigated. Who all are they in connection with? Who is the person supplying these drugs? Is there a bigger cartel involved into this network that is supplying these drugs into Mumbai and especially into Bollywood? So all these questions are being asked. Shauik especially will be asked on how many occasions did he procure these drugs? Now that it is clear that Shauik Chakrabarti did procure drugs, it has come to light in the primary investigation carried out by NCB. He will be questioned on how many times did he procure drugs, what was the amount paid, who all did he give those drugs to? Did he give it for consumption or did he sell them? If he sold them, for how much did he sell? And who were the clients who bought drugs from Shauik Chakrabarti? If, again I am pointing out, if he has sold drugs, but the primary investigation suggests that he was procuring drugs for consumption or even for Sushant Singh Rajput, as the message between Riya Chakrabarti and Shauik Chakrabarti suggests, that they wanted to procure these drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput. Again, one more important point over here. Did Sushant himself procure drugs?
Yes.
Or himself wanted to consume drugs? or was it administered to him illegally? That will be the point of investigation. If it comes to light that Sushant was administered any kind of drugs without his knowledge, without his consent, then this case turns completely to a different path, and that will be used by the CBI as well. Central Bureau of Investigation, which has already registered a case against Riya Chakrabarti on a complaint filed by Mr. KK Singh, father of Sushant Singh Rajput. Remember, CBI is also probing whether it was a homicide or a suicide. But primary investigation by the CBI in the last fortnight or so suggests that it was a suicide. They haven't got any kind of evidence that there could be any foul play in the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. But there is a abetment to suicide charge. And if he was suffering from mental illness, consumption of narcotic drugs makes it more lethal. It could deteriorate his condition. And that is why if Riya or Shovik were involved or were administering these drugs without his own consent, without Sushant's own consent, then it takes a completely different angle and it becomes a criminal conspiracy which led to the actor's death, or which led him to take this extreme step of ending his life as his mental condition deteriorated. Chef?
Divyesh, thanks very much for that. After 3 hours of raids being conducted, the Narcotics Bureau team is now grilling Riya Chakrabarti's brother Shovik. This as the NCB team is probing the drug link in the Sushant Singh Rajput death case. That's what we're talking about here. India Today was the first to get you the action on ground at the Riya Shovik residence. Was raided at around 6:40 a.m. today. Two teams reached Riya and Shovik's house this morning, one at 6:40 a.m. A lady officer was also part of the team. The second team reached the residence at 7:15 a.m. IRS officer Samir Wankhede and NCP Deputy Director KPS Malhotra are heading the 8-member team part of these raids. This after two drug peddlers confessed to the Narcotics Control Bureau over their links to Shovik. The third suspected peddler is being quizzed on whether he supplied drugs to Shovik. Samuel Miranda, Sushant's ex-house manager, was also raided by the narco team after arrested peddler Zaid confessed that he delivered drugs to Miranda in March this year through Shovik.
Today searches were conducted in the morning at two places, Mr. Shovik's place and Mr. Samuel Miranda's place. Senior officers were present at the search, including our zonal directors. And we have asked both the persons to join the investigation by issuing a notice under section 67 of NDPS Act.
Sir, have they been detained? क्या उनको detain किया sir?
I said very clearly that they have been issued notice under section 67 of NDPS Act to join the investigation.
सर उनको साथ में लेकर आया गया है, क्या वजह है सर?
पूछताछ वही है ना, 67 का नोटिस देने के बाद उनसे बातचीत हो गई अभी.
सर गिरफ्तारी की संभावना इस तरह से?
No speculation, please. I have told you what happened today morning. That's it.
क्या कहाँ सर्च ऑपरेशन चल रहा है सर?
It's just a procedural matter in NDPS Act. That's what we are following. And kindly let us do our job. That is what the request is. Kindly.
सर कहाँ सर्च चल रहा है?
Only,
सर आज तक से बात करते वक्त सर कहाँ चल रहा है सर?
please, two places, Riya's house and Samuel Miranda's house.
यहाँ पे सर्च ऑपरेशन
It is for Shovik's house and... नहीं.
शोविक के हाउस और मिरांडा के हाउस.
Yes.
This angle could be relevant for the purposes of criminal conspiracy, because we have said that in so many words in the FIR as well. So if there is a criminal conspiracy which is meeting up four and more minds for the purpose of inducing these drugs to the victim, then of course this could be very, very credible.
Do you believe these drugs could be possibly involved with the fact that Sushant was not feeling well and he committed suicide?
Absolutely. If that comes out of the investigation, then it could be a very pivotal part to hold anyone guilty or not guilty.
Amit Tyagi live with us from outside Riya Chakrabarti's residence. Amit, raids were conducted at the residence since early this morning. What's the current status? There is word that Shovik Chakrabarti could be arrested very soon.
Yes, there are possibility that he will be pronounced guilty. The authorities have been, they are investigating the matter. But it's been a morning mayhem since 6:40, since the time we are here. We are getting the viewers, the live coverage of the drama that transpired, which is quite surprising. We were the first one to reach here. got all the drama. It was like a 2.5 hours whole search operation by the Narcotics Control Bureau people. The officers, they finally took Shouvik, and now we're waiting that Shouvik might be back. Any reaction from the family? Ria and the family still in the house. So we're waiting, keeping an eye on all the details. And let's see what will be Shouvik's fate in this whole controversy that's taken a different turn now.
India Today's Arvind Ojha was on site, like Amit Tyagi just said, when the narco team raided Ria and Shouvik's residence. Here's that exclusive ground report from early this morning.
दो गाड़ियों में जो टीम थी एनसीबी की वो रिया चक्रवर्ती के घर के अंदर है, जबकि एक ये टीम दिखाना चाहूंगा, ये एनसीबी की एक टीम है, ये रिया चक्रवर्ती के बाहर, घर के बाहर खड़ी है। ये इस टीम में नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की टीम है, एक तरीके से कहे तो ये बैकअप टीम है, जबकि जो दो टीमें हैं वो अंदर इस सोसाइटी के अंदर मौजूद है। और एक एक करके ये टीम आप देख पा रहे हैं, यहाँ पर एक टीम नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की ओर पहुंची। कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? केपीएस मल्होत्रा, आपको दिखाऊं, केपीएस मल्होत्रा दिल्ली से मुंबई आए थे और पूरा एक्शन केपीएस मल्होत्रा ही संभाल रहे थे, नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के डिप्टी डायरेक्टर। केपीएस मल्होत्रा जी कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? आपको बता दूं कि अब केपीएस मल्होत्रा भी यहाँ पर पहुंचे हुए हैं रिया के घर पर रहने के लिए। आपको बताऊं कि दिल्ली से केपीएस मल्होत्रा नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के जो डिप्टी डायरेक्टर है वो यहाँ पर पहुंचे हुए थे और बाकायदा जो सर्च ऑपरेशन है। केपीएस जी आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? केपीएस जी कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? आपको दिखाना चाहेंगे केपीएस मल्होत्रा यहाँ पर पहुंचे हुए हैं रेड के लिए। दो टीमें 6:40 पर पहुंची थी, लेकिन अब केपीएस मल्होत्रा भी यहाँ पर पहुंच चुके हैं। तो जाहिर सी बात है ये नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो का सबसे बड़ा ऑपरेशन रिया के घर पर जो छापेमारी है वो चल रही है और बाकायदा एनसीबी की टीम जो है वो इस सोसाइटी में दाखिल हो रही है बाकायदा गाड़ी के साथ, और इस सोसाइटी में दाखिल हो रही है एनसीबी की टीम।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.